Today we are going to be working on division. We're going to use the example equation 81 divided by 3. First we will begin by estimating an answer, and we can round 81 up to a nice round number of 90. So 90 divided by 3 equals what for an estimated answer? And we can simplify this further by knowing that 9 divided by 3 equals 3. We also know that 9 times 10 equals 90, so if we also multiply our answer to 9 divided by 3 equals 3 by 10, we get 30. So our estimated answer is 30. Now we're going to move on to how do we come up with the exact answer. So we need to separate all 81 of our marshmallows into 3 groups. So we'll begin by separating them one at a time, starting on the right side to the left side, one at a time, so that the groups are even every time we finish on the left side. I will just speed it up for you. Now that we've divided them into 3 equal groups, we can begin to count how many are in each group. We also know there is an equal amount in each group because we ended on the left side and there is no remainder. Our group has been separated now. We have one group of 10, two groups of 10, and another 7 to make 27. So what we have here is an image showing what we were doing when we moved the marshmallows from the 81 and we divided them into 3 separate groups. So the first time we moved 3, and the second time we moved 3 more. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Third time we moved 9. Fourth one is 12, all the way until we moved 27. And then we can count how many times we were able to separate 81 into the 3 different groups when it was the 27th time, 27th round, and we knew we had 27 within each group. Our second strategy involves chunking the numbers in pieces that we can more easily understand. So we're going to begin by taking 10 marshmallows and putting them in each group, because we know that 3 times 10 is 30. So we're taking 30 marshmallows away from our large pot of our big group, and then each of our ending groups will have 10 added to their pile. We can also show this on paper or on whiteboard. We're moving 81 into 3 groups. So in each group we put 10. We can show that we are removing 30 in total by 81 minus 30 on the side here. So we still have 51 left to separate. So we can continue where we were at by doing the same thing again. We'll take 10, put it in the first group, 10 for the second, and we'll do 10 for the third, taking another 30 away from the large group. And we can show that we put 10 more in each group on the whiteboard, and we remove 30 more from the total, leaving us with 21 marshmallows. By chunking it in tens, it's easier for us to calculate 10 times 3 is 30 and for remove from the large group. But in the same way, when we're down to these smaller numbers, we can do it in groups of 5. So we add 5 in each group, takes away 15 total, adding 5 into each of our subgroups. And when we subtract 15 from 21, we're left with 6 marshmallows left to distribute. Well, we can move 2 from our remaining 6 into each of our groups. We'll add 2 into each of our groups on the paper, and we'll subtract 6, and we are left with a remainder of 0. All we have to do is total the numbers remaining. So 10 and 10 are 20. We can add 5 and 2 to make 7, and then we just have to add the 20 and the 7 to get 27 in each group. So 81 divided by 3 is exactly 27. And we can quickly check this by separating our marshmallows in our groups into 2 groups of 10, a group of 5, and a group of 2 to get 27. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something today.